Got a DIY enthusiast on your holiday shopping list this year? Well, I'm going to give you 25 gift ideas that are guaranteed to be a hit no matter what your budget is. I surveyed my closest DIY circle and we put together this awesome list of tools and apparel. Everything on this list is owned, used, and recommended by this group. This isn't some sale junk at the front of the store, it's the good stuff. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you my top 5 gifts in every price point. Now let's get started. You can find some great stocking stuffers or small gifts for under $25. Like this Gerber Gear Paraframe 2.2-inch mini pocket knife. This is a plain edge stainless steel folding knife that offers great utility. My dad uses his every day and you can get one for under $10. It's not the holidays without socks. Check out these Dickies Dry Tech Moisture Control Comfort Length Crew socks. These are my go-to socks when wearing steel-toed boots, and you can get a set of 6 for $14. But you also need to protect your hands. See these DeWalt unisex work gloves. I go through several pairs of gloves a year, and these are ones that I consistently reorder. They're lightweight, durable, and good quality. You can pick some up for $21. How about a specialty gift? I used one of these for one of my landscaping videos this year and got a lot of questions and comments about it. It's a Hori landscaping knife. It's great for cutting, weeding, digging, and planting, and you look like a badass when you're wearing it. You can get one for under $25 on Amazon. Now let's look at some killer gifts that are under $50. Check out this Swanson Savage Lightning Aluminum Torpedo Level. This 9-inch 3-vial magnetic level is a great tool that looks high class. My buddy Reed has one and he talks about it all the time. You can get one for just over $25. Next up is a recommendation from my brother Steven. You've seen him in a couple of my videos helping me out on some projects. Steven likes this Samurai Tactical Day Pack for $27. It's a really cool looking pack that comes in some slick colors. Sticking with apparel, a lot of DIY folks also like to get creative in the kitchen or on the grill. So if you're shopping for a kitchen or grill master, look at these Carhartt Firm Duck Aprons for $39. It's a great crossover item that DIY foodie is gonna love. Okay, back to tools. If you're looking for a mid-range gift for somebody, check out the DeWalt socket set for $35. These are sturdy, reliable tools and they feel more expensive than they are. These are a staple in my garage. So we've covered some great low to mid-range gifts on this list so far. Now we're gonna look at some ideas under $100. If you're in that $50 to $100 range, my advice is to look at tools, and here are my picks. The DeWalt Orbital Sander for $74 is a great value. This is an awesome tool, and it even comes with a nice carrying case for storage. But if you're looking for a deal, check out this DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw. These normally go for like $200 and I found one right now on Amazon for $99. My friend Nate has one and he loves it. Something else to look at would be this Klein Tools AC Circuit Breaker Kit for $59. It comes in a 3-piece set with a zippered case for carrying. These tools come in really handy whenever you're doing electrical work, and my dad, the electrician, always carries his. Closing out with another deal, it's the DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw for $99. It's got a 6.5-inch blade. If your DIY enthusiast likes battery-powered tools, this is a great buy. Now we're getting into some awesome main gifts. I have great gift ideas under $200 that I want to tell you about. First are these Tough-Built folding sawhorses. I have a set of these and I use them for everything. They're lightweight, easy to store, and extremely versatile. These would make a great gift, and you can get a set for $124. It wouldn't be a good recommendation list if it didn't include a Sawzall. My friend Elise recommends this DeWalt 12-amp reciprocating saw. She loves to cut branches and do landscaping with hers. I have one too, and I wouldn't go without it. You can pick one up for $129. If you're looking for a compact gift or just something for that DIY person that has everything, look at the Leatherman Surge multi-tool. This is a 21-in-1 heavy-duty multi-tool that can tackle all kinds of DIY tasks around the house. It's a great option for somebody in an apartment, and I got one for my dad for Father's Day for $149. There are some cool apparel options at this price point as well. For me, I'm recommending this Carhartt loose fit duck insulated coverall. Whether it's shoveling the driveway or building snowmen, an insulated coverall is a must-have, and it's probably the only thing that has me looking forward to cold weather. I got mine for $199. Okay, now it's time to look at some seriously cool gifts for under $300. Any DIY enthusiast would love something from this category as a main gift. Like this DeWalt 100-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level for $219 at Home Depot. This is a seriously cool tool that you can use for all kinds of DIY projects. It even comes with a case too. If your DIY enthusiast likes to use battery-powered tools, consider a fast charger, like this 4-port DeWalt 20-volt max charger. It comes with a price tag of $238, but it's totally worth it. They call these fast chargers for a reason. It'll juice up those batteries really fast. I have one, and I like that you can mount it to the wall studs to keep it off the work surface. Another great idea in this price point is a combo kit. It just feels like a cool gift, and it's perfect for a new homeowner or really anybody else. Like this DeWalt cordless drill and impact driver combo kit for $249. Not only do you get the drill and driver, but it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and even a carrying case. I use these tools almost every day. Next on the list is something from my personal holiday wish list. They're Thorogood American Heritage 8-inch MAC-toe work boots. People rave about these boots on Reddit. They say they'll last 15 years with proper care. So the price tag of $249 is really a great value. They look awesome, and they're made in the USA as well. I hope you've enjoyed this list so far. Before we get into my top 5 recommendations, please do me a favor and subscribe below to Dad Built DIY. I look forward to making more videos, and your support goes a long way. So I just gave you 20 solid holiday gift ideas for a DIY enthusiast, and I've saved my best for last. As promised, here are the top 5 gift ideas for DIY enthusiasts in each of the price points that we just talked about. Let's dive right in. My top recommendation in the under 25 price point is this Mayteen travel laptop backpack. It goes for $22, and here's why it's my top. I travel a lot for my day job, about 22 times a year, and this backpack goes with me everywhere I go. I've had it for the last 3 years, and you wouldn't be able to tell. It's rugged, it's well made, and it holds up under some heavy use. And I can't believe the price point at $22. I would pay like 4 times that for a backpack of this quality. My top recommendation under $50 is this Estwing 16-ounce curved claw hammer for $38. This is a beautiful tool, made in the USA from American alloy steel. This is a quality showpiece of a tool, and it's an absolute steal at this price point. In the under 100 category, my top recommendation is this DeWalt stick vacuum. This is a great tool at a great price, and it's something that's going to come in handy for just about everyone. This is my go-to gift idea for DIY enthusiasts on my list this year. You know I love my DeWalt oscillating multi-tool, and that's why it's my top pick if you're looking to stay under 200. I like this as a holiday gift because there's a good chance that your DIY enthusiast doesn't have this, but it's a tool with great versatility. I've done all kinds of closet and trim work this year, and I've used this tool a ton and absolutely loved it. And finally, my top recommendation in the under 300 price point is this DeWalt one-handed reciprocating saw kit for just $269. This tool packs tons of versatility in tight spaces, and it has endless applications. It's a gift any DIY enthusiast would love. So there you have it, 25 gifts that a DIY person would love to receive this holiday season. Sure, you could go to the front of Home Depot and grab whatever off the sale shelf, but if you're looking to give gifts that people are going to use and appreciate, you need a high quality, curated list of recommendations like these. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.